and I think Amaya is in the shower.
You can possibly get it for me right now?
Wow.
Oh.
But okay.
Hello.
Are you there? I can hear you. Are you still
Kelly,
there?
I can't see you.
I can't see you.
Where'd you go? Hold on a
Yeah.
second.
Is that on your end or?
No, I think it's my end. Yeah, sorry. Hold on.
Hi, I'm Angelo Tigangoso and from Ravenclaw. Introduction about the film. Title: Unfriended Dark Web. Director: Steph Sasko. Main character: Matias, the guy who finds the mysterious laptop. Amaya, Matias' girlfriend. Nari, Serena, Damon, AJ, Lex, his circle of friends on a group video call. The film follows Matias who brings home a laptop. He found the uses it during a laptop call with his friend. As they continue chatting, they slowly discover that laptop is connected to dangerous people who operate on the dark web. Their usual online hangout suddenly turns into a terrifying situation as they uncover hidden files, messages, and threats. The story shows how one simple online mistake can lead to serious consequences. Are there any ICT trends discussed in the film? If so, elaborate. Yes, the film shows several ICT-related trends, encrypted messaging and secret online communication. The movie shows how some people use encrypted chat apps to hide their conversation. Remote access to computer, there are scenes where files, cameras, and accounts are accessed without permission, which reflects modern cybersecurity concerns. Cloud, cloud storage and hidden folders. The character discover hidden files stored digitally, something very common today. Social live stream. The film include activities done through social platforms, showing how easily information can be shared or leaked online. Are there any internet threats shown in the film? If yes, elaborate. Yes, the movie focuses heavily on online threats including hacking. The story shows how a personal device and accounts can be controlled by someone else. Identity theft. The laptop contains personal and private information of different people, showing how stolen data can be used. Online exploration. The film hints at how dangerous groups on the dark web use technology for illegal activities. Private invasion. The characters becomes and message are monitored without their knowledge, showing how unsafe it can be when devices are compromised. What are some lessons you learned from this film? Always be careful about the devices, files, or accounts you use, especially if they are not originally yours. Protect your online accounts with strong password and avoid suspicious link or unknown program. Think twice before sharing personal information online because it can fall into wrong hands. The film reminds us the internet is helpful but it also has dangers, so staying aware and responsible is important. Lastly, it teaches that our digital action can have real life consequences.